Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting tutorial about programming in Golang. So throughout this tutorial, you are going to learn about how to use environment variables in Golang. So we'll be covering two popular packages in Golang as godotenv and Viper. Environment variables are an excellent way to store configuration information and are frequently used in programming. So for that, we are going to create an environment variable file. So you can create the file and name it whatever you would like, but it's best to use a file with a .env extension for ease of use. So to start, let's first initialize the module. So go mod init go in, we will create a module which will save all our dependencies. So after that, so using go get function or command, we can install the go.env package. So after that, let's first create one simple .env, and it's going to have one a environment variable as planet, and its value is Earth. So it's always a practice to initialize the env variable in the init function, so that before even starting the your program, it will load. So using .load function, we'll load the environment variable env file. So by default it takes .env, but if you have some other name, you can give it. After that, we'll check if there is any error while loading the env file, and if it loads successfully, we'll just print it. So okay, so to read the env value, we can simply use os.get.env. os is a package provided by the Golang. It is an inbuilt package, so we don't have to install any other dependencies. To run it, simple run go run mail.co. Here we can see env is successfully loaded and the planet is Earth. So go.env is a great package for starting purpose, but if you have a very complex project which have multiple env files and in different formats like .config, .toml or YAML, so in that time it is better to use a much matured package. So for that, we are going to cover the Viper package. So to install it, let's install it using go get github.com spf13/Viper. So once it will install, we'll create another file called suppose viper.env.go. So once the package is installed, so we'll first load the Viper package, and using set config for file function, will first send which file we want to load, it is .env, and then the same steps. Then we'll check the error if there is no error in the while loading the envs, and if it is successfully loaded, then we'll just print the log. And to read it, instead of using os.env functions, Viper has its own get function. Okay, so let's run it using Golang. Instead of main.go, this time you can use viper.env.go. And you can see it successfully loaded the env file and the planet Earth. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.